Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. So it has been a minute. I have been a little MIA. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but we are going to get these nails done for the Together We Mani collab, which is Red Theory Nails. I love this collab. I do not wear red enough, and I love red. So I know I'm putting silver in my dip jar. Why? Well, I'm going to do silver on every single nail, and then I'm going to do a layer of red, but I'm not going to use dip because I don't have any like jelly reds. They're all pretty opaque, and I kind of want to see the glitter through the top of the nail and the bottom of the nail. So while I'm dipping all of these out, I will give you guys a little insight of why I've been gone. If you're new here, I'm so happy to have you. I hope you subscribe, like this video, stick around. I will attempt to not miss any more time, but that's likely not going to happen. Anyone that's been here before knows that I've been like having stomach issues for a while. I stopped drinking caffeine because I thought that was it. And for a little while, it seemed to be like that solved the problem. But then they came back, and they came back really bad. And I went to my doctor and we did some testing. The blood test confirmed that there's some kind of inflammation or swelling going on within my body, but it didn't tell us very much. She thought that I was celiac and I was having a reaction to gluten. We did the test for that. That came back negative. And then we were thinking it was some kind of gastral, oh goodness, I butchered that. Like an IBD. Okay. So, anyway, then I had a CAT scan, and that showed that all of that stuff is fine, but my uterus is not. Oh, being a woman, the joy. So at this point, we don't know exactly what's going on. I have to have some more testing done, but it looks like we might have to say goodbye to that little friend. And I am not having more children, so I'm totally okay with that. But in the meantime, I am struggling with just being uncomfortable all the time, and stomach aches all the time, and really bad cramps all the time. Sorry, TMI. But that's where I'm at. So if we get the test results back and it does look like they need to take that out, then I will be down for however long it takes to recover from that. I don't like surgery. By the way, I only did one layer, so we're going to put this away and we're going to get out the clear, and we're going to do a layer of clear, and then we'll move to the next steps. So yeah, I'm not a fan of having surgery. Hopefully they can do it laparoscopy and do it that way, because that would be much less invasive than doing abdominal surgery. So that is where we're at. Give me all your well wishes. I will super appreciate them. And I will try to get as many videos out as I can before I have to have any kind of surgery. But honestly, it's pretty uncomfortable for me to sit for long periods of time. And then my energy levels, for some reason, I don't know if they have anything to do with this, or if it's just because all the discomfort is taking a toll on my emotional well-being. But I just don't have the energy. So like usually I can go out there and I can just work in my nail room all day, like just bust out set after set or whatever I want to do. I usually have a good amount of energy, but lately, since this got so much worse, I sit down to do a set, and by the time I'm done, I'm just wiped. I can't even, I just need to go. And that's assuming I can even sit to get a nail set done. I've gone out there several times in the past few weeks to do something, and it's just like it's not working for me. And my mental health is kind of important. So even though it feels good to be out there doing stuff, it hurts. It's very uncomfortable. So that's where we're at. Sorry that I gave you guys like my whole health history in the last few months. Hopefully I'm not oversharing, but I kind of wanted to let you guys know why I haven't been around, and why that if I disappear again, that is why, but I will try to keep you guys updated. So back to the nails. The whole reason I think you guys are here, I assume anyway. We are almost done with clear encapsulation, and then we will activate, and I will of course file and buff off camera. And then we will get into the top. So originally, this is my second time doing these, by the way. Originally, I did it with nail polish because I do like to try non-gel ways to do things. But lately, I've just been really enjoying doing gel manicures. And because I'm doing them press-on style, I can wear them on my nails. I just can't. Sometimes I can wear them for like a couple days and I don't have any issues at all. And maybe it's just a difference in what products I'm using. But there was a time that I put them on and like within 24 hours, I did start getting a little bit irritated. And by that, I've never gotten any kind of like bumps or itchiness, not the normal typical signs, but a little bit inflamed and red around my cuticles. So I don't want to take any chances. I'm not trying to like damage my skin around my, and I've seen what gel allergies can do. So typically if I do any gel on my press-on nails, I will put them on with sticky tabs. I will take pictures and whatever, and then I will pop them right off. So I try not to use gel a lot, but I will probably be using gel a lot more going forward because I have a good amount. And then also I have companies that are sending me gel products and I can say no, but I really don't want to. I can use gel on my toes perfectly fine, without any issue at all. For a long time, I was just doing nail polish on my toes and it was taking me forever. And I'm like, why are you doing this? You don't have an allergy on your feet. It's fine. So anyway, that's where they're at. This product, this is Triple D Delicate Gel. This is the one that I can put on and I can wear. Like I won't put it like directly on my nails. It has to be press-ons, but I can put the press-ons on and I have not had any issues with this Delicate Gel 2-in-1. And they also make delicate colors. I only have one. I should maybe get more though, because like I said, I can wear any of that stuff for multiple days. And I don't usually wear nails for more than like 2 or 3 days. I think the longest I've had a set of press-ons on in the last few months is like a week. And that was a long time for me. But anyway, that's where we're at. So we're about to give these a 60-second cure. And I realized I started telling you guys that I put nail polish on these and then I changed my mind. And the reason I changed my mind is because I'm so low on regular nail polish top coat that I couldn't get through it. And then it was when it gets that low, it gets a little goopy. Sorry. I was just putting the nails upside down for 10 seconds to level everything out. And then we are going to use this beautiful jelly color that I got from Born Pretty. And I did an unboxing and mani with those a few videos back. And I thought this would work really good because it is a jelly. And it did. It gave me the exact look I was going for. It's almost like having a really beautiful shimmer red. And then just the bottoms being silver was really pretty. There is a picture at the end and then I do kind of show you guys the silver bottoms, but I'm not going to lie, they looked so much better in person than they do on camera. Unfortunately, I don't know why that is. Probably because I'm using my phone and I don't have like a professional camera set up, but yeah, I don't make money from this, so that's not going to happen any day soon. Anyway, so I'm just doing a layer and then I'm curing them for 60 seconds. And then we will top coat them and then we will be done. And for Tuesday's video, I will be doing my Nailzinacoffin monthly bundle unboxing and mani. And I'm so excited. The theme was fabulous. I'm not going to spoil it. You'll have to wait to see, but it was so good. And I haven't opened the package yet, but I have seen spoilers online. So I do kind of know what I'm getting. Also, she is doing things a lot different now, where before it was kind of like a mystery what you're getting. Now it's I'm pretty sure she's posting like, these are the decals you're getting. There's no dip powders anymore. And I believe there's either a cuticle add-on or it comes in the package. I'm not 100% sure. I will look more into that, but the prices have been marked down because there's no more dips. So it is a little bit more affordable for people that are just wanting decals. Um, so it's great. I can't wait to do that video. Hopefully I won't be quite so yappy and I will let you guys just watch. You guys will have to let me know how you feel about that without hurting my feelings. Maybe do it tactfully. But I personally, because I watch videos when I'm doing my nails, I like chatty videos. I like to listen and then like I'll glance up and watch what they're doing. But if somebody's just playing music through their entire nail video, I likely won't watch it because I'm doing my nails at the same time. I rarely, unless I'm looking for something specific about how to do a certain style of nails, I rarely actually sit there and watch the video without doing something else. So yeah, you guys will have to let me know what you think. Although this one's been quite personal and chatty. Anyway, I'm so close to the end. We are top coated. We're going to hang these upside down for 10 seconds. And this is the same. This is the Delicate 2-in-1. So it works as a base coat and a top coat. And it's super shiny, super pretty. And just like that, the nails are on. Yeah, I love them. See those silver, see, I mean, you guys can see pretty well, but like I said, they were so much more stunning in person, especially when I went outside in the sun. And this is that Triple D, the delicate color that I was telling you guys about on my right hand. And I did like one layer and then I swirled it. I will have a short coming up of that. I'm going to try to get into shorts again. I'm not very good at doing them. Half the time I don't feel like I do a good job. But anyway, I'm going to try to get into shorts and reels again. So I will keep an eye out for that, how I did that. And yeah, okay. Whew. I don't think I've talked through. No, I do this often actually. Anyway, so we are using our favorite Crypt serum to rehydrate our nails, even our cuticles. Even though I don't do them on, I still always put cuticle oil on. And then once I take these off, I will go wash my hands really good and I will put more cuticle on. And then in a few hours, I will put more on. I love this stuff so much and I pretty much apply it all day long. So that's where we're at. I'm saying that a lot. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. It's been a minute. I need to get back into the swing of things. Clearly, I am losing my mind. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Have a beautiful day. I really hope to see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Have a beautiful day. Bye.